Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up shipping on Squarespace. Let's get started. First, go to squarespace.com. Log in your account by clicking on the login button here at the top right corner. And this action will lead you to your dashboard, where you will click on the website you want to use by clicking on this Go to Website button right here. In here on the bottom of the left panel, click on the settings icon. Next, click on the selling option from the left panel of this new tab. Then click on the shipping option right here. Next, start setting up your shipping by clicking on Add Shipping option. Then choose from these options in the pop-up, and the easiest and most common option is the flat rate option. After that, name your shipping option however you like, set your shipping rates, and select the country or the countries you would like to ship to. After that, click on Save here at the top right to save your changes. And that is how you can set up shipping on Squarespace. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.